Greetings, this is John Joseph Xavier Cihon, and I'm coming at you live from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Now today, I've got my good friend Chairperson Meow with me, and she's pretty chill, so I think she's just going to sit here while we do the video. I've got a new pair of Yeezys to unbox, take a look at, and before I do that, if you haven't done it yet, click that subscribe button and also slap the like button. I really appreciate it if you do both. If you like this kind of content, that's going to help me out, help me grow the channel, and it means a lot. It may not seem like a lot on your part, but it is really helpful to me. As well, if you enjoy this content, there's some links to tip. Anything you can do is appreciated, even if it's just $1. I appreciate everything, but it's never required or expected. So with that out of the way, let's open up my new Yeezys. Came in the mail today. These are the 350 V2 MX Oat. And these are something a little bit different. If you're a fan of the Yeezys, especially the 350s, they generally come in neutral colors, white, cream, gray, brown, that sort of thing. And these are very different. Let's open them up, get a look at them. So this is the MX Oat. And the oat refers to the base color, which is sort of a tan, you can see. But unlike most of the Yeezy 350s, we have these pops of color. We've got blue, orange, yellow all over it. I do like that a lot. It really stands out. It's different from any other 350 V2 we've seen from the Yeezy line. So this is definitely something new. The first thing I thought of this when I saw it is I stayed at a Hilton hotel this weekend, and this actually looked like the carpet in the Hilton hotel. This is like the lobby carpet. So I'm going to throw a picture up in the video so you can see the lobby carpet. For what it's worth, I'm wearing my Saucony Creature from the Black Lagoon signatures in the picture because it was a Monster Movie convention at the hotel. I did a video review of those shoes if you want to go back and watch it. But I'll throw it up so you can see how the carpet does really resemble these sneakers. That said, though, these are nice. One of the things that's not immediately obvious from looking at them is these laces have a coating on them. And you can, I think it picks up on the camera. It's kind of a shiny coating. And so we just have regular laces, but with the shiny coating. We don't have the infinity lace that Kanye's used where it's just one piece on some of his sneakers lately. So standard bottom. And this is a good look. I think you could wear this with a lot of outfits. And the pop really gives it just something that the other 350s don't have. This is pretty unique in terms of what Kanye's done. And these are reselling for, I think about $50 over list right now. I'm not sure. But definitely, if you like these, you can pick them up. They're not crazy expensive. And these would be a good pickup. I think in the long term, these will probably be a good hold because these are so different from the other things in Kanye's line. So let's see, this right here is kind of a reflective material. It does sort of resemble the shoelaces in that. Again, I'm not sure how well the reflectiveness shows up on camera. I'll hold it up close so you can see. And let's get a good look. And standard gum bottom. And I think it all works really well together. I think that none of the colors dominate. We still have this base with just the pops of colors, and that really results in a shoe that you can wear with almost any outfit because these pops are not too loud since they're only little pops on a more neutral base. So that's it. Again, if you haven't done it, slap that like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.